Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. Okay, so I came across a amazing training. This training is nuts. It's literally 50 training lessons, guys. The guy who created this training is a multi-seven-figure earner in affiliate marketing, absolute beast online. When I tell you some stuff in here that you're gonna be like, what? But I'm going to actually give this training to you guys for free, guys. So you can get that in the description below. So let me go over a couple of these things, and I'm going to tell you guys the truth. I did put this in a content locker because that way you're not paying for it, and I'm getting a little change off of it, you know. But it is in the content locker, so just so you know when you click on the link below. But it is free. Now, you can see you're going to be going over PayPal working capital, Facebook spending limits, building your email list using affiliate bonuses, high converting offers. The guy literally goes over everything. Look at the length of these videos, 31 minutes, 26 minutes. He literally put his all into these freaking trainings, and it shows because they're extremely powerful. Like, wow, this one kind of blew me away. Wow, just the working capital loan that you can get with PayPal to be able to fund your business. It's nuts. It's just all kind of secrets in here, man. And then he goes over, Facebook ads, a bunch of Facebook ad stuff. Your advertising. It's just a bunch of different techniques and things you can do with Facebook. And then he goes over the list building, different creative ways to build your list, how to use ethical bribes to, for your audience and autoresponders. As you guys can see, these are all these videos are pretty lengthy, 17 minutes here, 2 minutes, 4, 7. So this course is nuts. And I figured this will really help you guys. And this is some of his case studies that he's done, just showing you some of his results. How he made $72,000 off affiliate link, 15,000 there, 55,000. So he's going through these videos showing you his proof that he's made with his email lists and other things, and kind of giving you guys just that proof factor, just so you know that he's the real deal. You know what I mean? All these different case studies, won $113,000 is just nuts from promoting an offer on these platforms that he's letting you know about, which is JVZoo, ClickBank. And he kind of goes in and shows you what he did, how you can do the same thing. It's just crazy. And so I want you guys to be able to get all of this stuff. It's nonstop. Facebook video views, how he can get them for less than, freaking less than a cent. Just all kind of stuff, y'all. And he got webinars, a two-hour webinar, a 1 hour webinar here, just going over talking to $500 million guys, and just all kinds of content, guys. I think you would love this. It would definitely help you in your marketing and all kinds of stuff. So I want you guys to be able to go in here. You also got smart launches, 16 per day case study, all kind of just tons of training, all right, that you can use to grow your online success. I figured you guys would, enjoy this training, because I went through it and was blown away, because I was actually gonna take some of this stuff and make videos about it, but I was like, I figured I could just give them the whole training. But yeah, it is in the content locker. It's very simple, guys. I made it simple so you can go ahead and get through there quick. It won't take you through a bunch of pages or nothing like that. And then you'll be able to unlock it and get the training. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know. Other than that, you guys enjoy your day. I will be making a couple more videos in the next few days. Just kind of took some time off. So, yeah, I'll be back though. Peace.